Yo guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are doing well. I think last time I dropped a video was just over a week ago. You know, I'm trying to keep on top of this goal of keeping accountability to myself, of dropping one video a week until I turn profitable. So yeah, still doing it. God, oh my days. I'm really trying to get used to talking to myself. And to be honest, you know, I think I haven't actually explained why I wanted to post, because it's not to build an audience or to build a YouTube channel or anything. It's just me trying to keep myself accountable, you know, of trading, backtesting, and whatever. Because you know, I'm putting it out there, and it's just accountability, to be honest. That's all. This week's been draining as hell, I'm not gonna lie. You know, if you guys don't know, I have a full-time job, and at the start of the week shit was actually so busy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I wasn't even able to trade during work or anything sometimes. And just life, man. Like, life is so busy, I don't know why. But now, like 2026, I'm really locking in, guys. I'm gonna try my best to not let anything get in my way of things I want to do. Because yeah, you know, like, just if you guys have any goals that you guys want to achieve, like, you might feel like you start to drop off of the things that you want to do, but you just have to show up. You have to show up whenever you guys don't feel like it, and otherwise you'll never make it. But yeah, anyways, so this week in terms of trading was tough too. Trading was tough too, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Like, I feel like at the start of my trading journey, a few months ago, now that I see it, it might be beginner's luck or something like that, but I was catching nice trades in my evals, and I've passed evals, I've blown a lot of evals. I've never made a payout yet, but this year, inshallah, like, I know it's gonna happen this year. I'm just gonna make it happen, you know. That's why we gotta lock in. That's why I want to lock in so hard this year. And if you guys are watching this and you guys are the same, you know, it's great. Let me know how your journey is going. Yeah, but trading this week, no, it feels like I've lost my trading edge for real. Like, I think because for some reason I was catching so many nice trades here and there, like a good few weeks ago, and yeah, I don't know, I haven't caught a nice trade in a while, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know what happened, but I think now it feels like, yeah, like, this is the real work is about to is needed right now, if you guys get what I'm trying to say. And before we get started on the backtesting, which is, yeah, it's going to be backtesting gold for today, I'm going to say, like, what I plan to do in the future with this YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm going to upload once a week, inshallah, and just to, you know, keep myself accountable, and for you guys to be able to learn from my mistakes too. And I got plans of dropping some psychology related videos on trading, which I'm not expecting any views of, but, like, trust me, it's gonna be really good if you guys watch it, and it's great if you guys watch it, you know. But yeah, so yeah, that's my plans for this coming month or so with the YouTube channel. Alright, anyways, let's get into trading. So, okay, let's get into trading. I think last time I was on what's this called? FX replay. I just started this new session, and I took a 2% trade. I was risking 1%, and I got 2%, which is $500. And so now at the start of this session, we are in pre-market London, pre-market New York, which is the time that I can trade. So coming into, I'm just gonna get started from the high time frame. So 4 hour, it's looking bearish. Bullish. Fair value, 4 hour fair value gap here, and on the 1 hour, I already marked out that we were respecting this hourly fair value gap with 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. All right, and we've inversed this hourly over here from the previous day, and we are hopefully looking, we're actually rejecting off of this bearish fair value gap right above from this hourly candle so far. So I mean, in terms of price structure, we're clearly bullish. All right, just showing some bearish displacement right now from this hourly candle. If I drop to the 15-minute, we have swept sell side liquidity over here, whilst respecting the bullish fair value gap. But over here right now, I think it's just inversed. This 15-minute got inversed over here. Guys, I'm so tired. Like, you know, I finished like, I came home quite late and I was so tired, but like I was itching to make this new video so that I can stay on top of the one video a week thing. So apologies guys, I am quite tired, so I'm not expecting much from this. I just want to upload anyways. All right, what was this? 15-minute inversion. 15-minute inversion. Okay, and we are delivering off of this bearish 15-minute fair value gap. Again, I'm gonna mark this as 15-minute. I'm gonna take off the bold. Okay, so I think in terms of this pre-market, we have trendline liquidity over here. If you guys don't know what trendline liquidity is, shout out Louis in the trading community that I learned this from him. Basically, when there is liquidity sort of like on a trend line here, price tends to take all that liquidity out after sweeping some sort of opposing liquidity. So inverse this 15-minute, and this 5-minute didn't get inversed. I mean, yeah, it hasn't really closed, so we'll see. Let me mark the end of my session here. Okay, so we are expecting, our trading rule is some manipulation. First, let me pull up my Notion. Oh, you guys are gonna see my Notion. Never mind. Yeah, so let me just type it out actually. So here, strategy. Okay, so from higher time frame, well, why can I not type? Bruh. Okay, all right guys, I'm so sorry. Holy shit, I'm so tired. Here's my strategy. High time frame. Where is price drawing to? Where is price drawing to on a 1 hour to 4 hour, and also let me, okay, fucking hell, where is daily levels being respected? So this is the high time frame bias. Okay, all the high time frame is to give us a direction, a biased direction of where price wants to go in our session. So, and then a mid time frame, which is your 5 to 1 hour, or just basically mid time frame PD arrays. Okay, so mid time frame PD arrays manipulation. Has there been a key liquidity that has been swept, and or is price respecting or disrespecting a PD array, such as a PD array? Okay, what is a PD array? A PD array is anything like fair value gap is the main one. Inverse fair value gap, order block, yeah, all the sort of ICT levels that price tend to react from. And then flipping out. Okay, what is happening with okay, what's happening with this? Alright, what the hell? And then lower time frame, which is our entry model. We want to see sweep, and either our entry model is an inverse fair value gap or a fair value gap tap in, so we tap into a fair value gap, or a candle closure of an inverse fair value gap. Fair value gap tap in, and then last thing, which is the most important thing, is displacement, or change in the state of delivery, or continuation in the state of delivery. So this is the bias. So at the moment, where is the brush? What the hell is the brush, man? What? Okay. Where would you go? Okay. Cool. So at the moment, high time frame PD array, high time frame bias. So on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, respecting a bullish fair value gap many times, but quite recently we are rejecting from this hourly fair value gap. Okay, in terms of a daily, we are bullish. 4 hour still bullish, and 1 hour is also quite bullish. And then mid time frame PD array, we are delivering from a 15-minute 15-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap over here, and we've also disrespected all this bullish movement here. So I mean, the high time frame here was quite neutral. What in the hell? High time frame was quite neutral. Mid time frame is bearish, which means we are going to be looking for sells, guys. We're delivering from a bearish fair value gap, and we've inversed this bullish fair value gap, and we have draw on liquidity over here. So yeah, let's see for a sell setup. Wow, that was okay, guys. On a side note, that took too long to break down the price. Just for that took like what, 10 minutes for that. Crazy. Okay, anyways, I'll get better, guys. Don't worry, I will get better. So right now what we're waiting for is price to return back to a lower time frame PD array. So this could be this inversion, or let's see, on the what the hell? Let me just make this lighter. It's too dark, man. It's too dark. Where would you go? No. I know what you done. Okay. So this is a high. Bro, what the fuck? What was this? 5 minute fair value gap. 5 minute fair value gap. And we are in 1 minute sort of displacement right now from the bearish fair value gap. Okay, so let's see a clear sweep of liquidity, guys. Remember, if we don't see a clear, wow, okay, so we tap this. Let's drop to the 1 minute. All right, so we tap this and we get an inverse fair value gap here. Now what we want to see is price to have a continuation in the state of delivery by breaking through these down close candles over here, and once price closes past these close candles, then down close candles, then I'm going to put an entry. All right, I'm going to put an entry, guys. Yeah, this is a really nice setup. I'm not even going to cap. Okay, so and my trade is a 2-hour plus draw on liquidity. Let's place this. Okay, why does that keep tabbing out like that, man? Let's see. Okay, so at the moment price is consolidating. I've taken this sell side. Don't know if this should be our break-even point, but I've taken two sell sides, so I'm gonna put break-even right now because we've taken two. The reason why is, oh, we've taken 3 really like crazy good sell side levels, but our final take profit is over here, and it would suck for price to go break even right now, I'm not gonna lie, because we took these lows so easily. You see this? So but we are at break even, right? Oh, okay, fine. It's fine, break even, but that was actually a good trade. Alright, let's see what price is done after the trade. Does it take the level here? Wow, so bullish. Cool. So let's get rid of all this. Oh, don't want to get rid of that actually. Let's go to Asia session. I mean pre-market Asia session. What am I saying? Pre-market London session is because I trade with my full-time job. I only have time to trade pre-market London and pre-market New York, so I have to be really selective about my my trades. Okay, let's go 2 more trades and I think that's the video. Okay, come on. Right now we created this bullish 4 hour for 4 hour. Okay, in terms of daily, I mean, yeah, same, everything is the same. Really bullish. Look at those candles, man. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually rebalance to this range at some point throughout this day. So I think I will put in a fib for later and just keep this in mind. Okay, I mean, hold on, let's mark out my session, which is until 8:30. Okay, so 1 hour, nothing much going on in the hour. 15-minute, in terms of silver, no SMTs here. Oh yeah, we have an SMT here, so this is an SMT. In terms of PD arrays, really unclear, but there is actually equal lows here with the Asia session, which is actually quite good draw on liquidity. So equal low Asia. And to be fair, this is also quite decent, but it's price is really rejecting from this sort of area. So I think we're expecting price to definitely go inside this range today. 5-minute. In terms of the 5-minute, guys, we have this 5-minute fair value gap. So if we were to go bearish, we would inverse this fair value gap. Yeah, that's about it. Price is really choppy, if I'm honest with you. Big rejection here from this order block. Crazy, actually. That's so nice. Inverse, respected the fair value gap, and so then we have this bearish fair value gap too. So if we were to go bullish for this session before price goes bearish again because of the big displacement, the 4-hour displacement, it would make sense for price to take out some of these highs first. So this is why you have to be, with trading, you have to be really reactive, and that's what's really hard about it. Like, your bias might be to short or long, but the setup is the other direction. So it's up to you as a trader if you want to do that. But yeah, it's just, let's just see what is good quality, you know. So let's see. So this is a 5-minute. 5 minutes as well. Let's see what price does. I want to see a clear liquidity sweep. Minus sell side is taken here. At a fair value gap, so I think we are looking quite bullish actually. Once we drop to the lower time frame. Um, 1 minute here. We are in a 1 minute bearish right now, but we've fully rejected off of this. So, so let me think. So we are, yes, we are in a 5 minute PD array. The sell side has been taken over here as well. Equal lows and then in fair value gap. So sell side liquidity top taken. Inverse fair value gap 5 minute IFVG. Yeah, this is actually, wow, I've really, why am I so washed at reading price action when I'm tired, man? IFVG, this is a 5 minute. And we're in this 1 minute, so I think we want to trade higher. Oh, okay, so price taps into this order block, still respecting the 50%. The consequent encroachment of this fair value gap is still respected, so we could still be bullish. Oh, what happened there? On the 1 minute, so order block, and then tap back into this zone. Put in an SMT here. Yeah, price is really unclear, because I'm not gonna lie, this is not looking good for a trade. To trade lower here. So tap back into this order block. Could reject. Yeah, that's nice. So we inverse. Okay, you know what I realize? Like, the way I'm reading price right now, because I'm recording, is just, I think it's definitely good for like learning, but it's so difficult. I'm trying to get used to it, but it's good. So then I learn more, but it's hard, which sucks. So if we retrace back, I think we're gonna enter off of this change state in delivery if it gives it to us. Okay, alright, let's enter. That's it. Goes here. Let's see. Draw liquidity to be this Asia. Now we're going to stick to our 2+ draw liquidity actually. Guys, 2R. So we ended off with this because we were in this inverse fair value gap. We are retracing, consolidating, and now we have a change of the state in delivery. And the change of the state in delivery is here. yeah, sorry if it's a long video, guys. I doubt you guys are even watching till this point, but if you are, comment, let me know, like actually let me know, because that's pretty sick. Place order, buy, market 1%. Okay, so whenever I place an order, it really times me out. Okay, I think in terms of break even, now I should be thinking about this like way before the trade even started, I'm not gonna lie. I think break even could be this point. Oh, bruh. Oh, break even is an unmitigated. Break even is always an unmitigated fair value gap, but this time there's no clear fair value gap, even on the 1 minute. This a fair value gap? Nope. So I think the break even point is gonna be when price reaches this high over here, which is, it's almost there. So currently prices inverse the 1 minute, retrace and inverse straight away, which is kind of nice. Oh, okay, now we are break even. Two break evens, really? Whatever. I think I'm missing something. I'm definitely missing something. Like, as in, my entries shouldn't be here, I don't think. Yeah, well, alright. So that is pre-market London. Now for the final trade of this video, let's go to pre-market New York. It's 12:30 to 1:30 UK time. Right, let's do this quick. Where would you go? No, what you done? Still bullish, which is kind of mad, I'm gonna be real. But we're slowing down in volume here in the 4 hour. She just broke through. So we swept all-time highs here. In the 1 hour, really choppy, like the hourly looks so choppy, what the hell. In terms of drawn liquidity, you can see on the sell side here, trend line liquidity. Okay, if you guys don't believe me, just literally look on any chart. Whenever there is this, 70% of the time these always get run through in the same day. Alright, mid time frame, what the fuck? Expecting bullish fair value gap, rejecting from it. I think this price will probably break this high. So we are actually bullish, but there's no drawn liquidity. I mean, there is these books so close by, just because we are at all-time high right now. So okay, let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute then. So yeah, price is delivering from, price has respected this 5 minute actually, which is kind of nice. Know that you're done with me. Know that you're done. Okay, let's see. So we want to see, yeah, prices change in stay and delivery here with a 1 minute. So I want to see price go back to this 1 minute fair value gap. Alright. That's funny, oh my god. So bullish. This one inverse. What? Are you guys seeing this? This is insane. Like literally calling out the move. Okay, I'm gonna enter. Like, bruh. Come on now. This has to be a win. Although I'm not gonna be mad if it isn't, because I don't know. So I think I'm just gonna. Bruh, I actually want to do a 1-to-1 so bad. 1 hour. But I'm gonna stick to my rule. Get 2. Have the 1 hour as a break even. Flip. So this is a break even point. Okay, final trade of the day. One minute inverse fair value gap, respecting from a 5 minute fair value gap. Extremely bullish higher time frame. 15 minute is 15 minute. We're respecting this 15 minute fair value gap too. Okay, like I mean, bias wise is definitely on my side, and price action wise is definitely on my side. Let's see. Oh my god. Watch. Okay, never mind. Bro, what the hell? Should I have put stops here? Wait, let's see what price does. Look at that. Okay, I think my stops are too tight. Literally, what the flip? My stops are too tight. I think there's something to adjust. Anyways, oh my god, 40 minutes is crazy. 40-minute YouTube video is my 3rd ever YouTube video. Alright, guys, if you are still here, drop a comment. Alright, I hope you guys learned something. I'm sorry if I sound so boring. Because I'm so tired right now, honestly. But I'm gonna upload once every week, either trading or it's always gonna be about trading or like psychology or whatever. But yeah, hope you guys have a nice week. Stay locked in. Okay, stay locked. If you're not locked in whatever you're doing right now, go sit in a corner. All right. Good night. I'm gonna sleep. Peace.